Distinguished representatives, partners, colleagues, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to the Asia-Pacific Health Security Action Framework Stakeholders Meeting for the Western Pacific region. Despite the virtual format, it is wonderful to have so many of you here, representing governments, partners, and institutions from across our region. This meeting comes at an important moment for global health security and for the Western Pacific. With the amendments to the international health regulations now in force and the adoption of the WHO pandemic agreement this year, the world has stepped into a new chapter. These are not just technical updates. They reflect a shared understanding that we must be better prepared, better connected, and better coordinated for health emergencies arriving faster than before. At last month's regional committee meeting, member states across the Western Pacific reaffirmed this commitment by endorsing a plan to implement the IHR amendments and strengthen regional readiness. Through the regional committee's resolution, our region was the first in the world to set measurable regional targets for implementation. This shows that when it comes to health security, the Western Pacific does not wait, we lead. This meeting is about putting those commitments into practice. I am happy to see the focus on three topics. First, regional operational readiness. It is important to take practical steps to strengthen our shared operational assets and tools. This means that the region can respond faster and more effectively when the next crisis comes. Second, our region's emergency workforce. A response is all the stronger when the workforce is skilled, agile, and deployable, able to respond to any threat anywhere, anytime. Third, coordination and partnership. We know that emergencies do not respect borders. Our collaboration cannot have borders either. Please consider how we can more efficiently coordinate resources, information, and expertise so that our collective response is fast, coherent, and effective. Colleagues, the Western Pacific has a long history of leadership, innovation, and solidarity. But the challenges ahead, from disease outbreaks and pandemics to conflicts and climate-related emergencies, are increasingly complex and interconnected. This requires us to work differently, faster, stronger, and together all the more. By implementing the IHR amendments in a way that is practical, harmonized, and regionally aligned, we can ensure our systems are not only compliant, but capable, connected, and ready. I am happy to see so many technical partners, donors, and other stakeholders engaged in this meeting. You bring strength to our region, and this is appreciated by countries and WHO. At this time of permacrisis permeating our region and world, let's remember the Kenyan saying, "Sticks in a bundle are unbreakable." Colleagues, let's use this meeting to learn from one another, to question, to co-create, and to live with clarity on where we go next together. Thank you once again for being here, for your commitment, and for your leadership. I look forward to our discussion. Thank you.